For years, I struggled with snoring, and it affected my sleep and my partner's too. I tried everything, sleeping on my side, using nasal strips, even elevating my head. Then I discovered the power of a simple lifestyle change. I started exercising regularly and lost a few pounds. I also cut back on alcohol and avoided heavy meals before bed. To my surprise, my snoring decreased significantly. It felt amazing to wake up refreshed and to see my partner finally getting a good night's sleep. If you're tired of snoring, remember, small changes can lead to big results.